A new and increasingly detailed wave of unconfirmed yet remarkably consistent information has emerged around the much-anticipated DJI Osmo Pocket 4. And while DJI itself has remained completely silent with no official announcement, teaser, or launch confirmation, the expanding trail of leaks, regulatory records, supply chain chatter, and behind-the-scenes reports now paints a clearer and more strategic picture of what is happening, strongly suggesting that DJI has once again adjusted its release timeline intentionally rather than reacting to any major problem. Because although early expectations and speculation across the creator community initially pointed toward early January debut, recent findings indicate that the standard DJI Pocket 4 has already passed a crucial regulatory milestone by quietly receiving FCC certification under the model number OP041 toward the end of 2025, just before stricter wireless compliance requirements went into effect in the United States, which effectively confirms that from a legal and regulatory standpoint the device is approved for sale and technically ready to enter the market, while simultaneously reinforcing the idea that the hardware itself is finalized and stable. And in sharp contrast to this, the more advanced and heavily rumored DJI Pocket 4 Pro has yet to appear in any public FCC databases, which is a significant and telling detail because FCC absence usually signals that a product is still deep in development, especially if it involves different wireless components, revised antenna designs, altered internal layouts, a modified chassis, or a more complex camera system, all of which would require independent certification. And although there is a possibility that DJI could attempt to share regulatory approval across models, this approach is often complicated and uncommon, meaning the lack of certification strongly pushes the Pocket 4 Pro further down DJI's roadmap and introduces greater uncertainty around its launch window, final specifications, and pricing strategy. Meanwhile, the apparent delay of the standard DJI Pocket 4 itself appears far less concerning when viewed within proper context, because several earlier leaks had already suggested that January was never truly locked in as the launch month, and later reports clarified that the shift was not caused by fundamental hardware issues but instead tied to accessory readiness, firmware polish, software integration, and overall ecosystem coordination, including companion accessories, modular add-ons, mounting solutions, wireless microphones, firmware stability, app-level optimization, and cross-device compatibility, all of which are essential to how DJI positions the Osmo Pocket series as a complete, ready-to-use content creation tool rather than just a standalone camera, especially at a time when competition in the handheld gimbal camera and compact vlogging market is more intense than ever, with travel vloggers, daily creators, YouTubers, TikTok filmmakers, and mobile content producers demanding polished performance, reliable stabilization, strong low-light capability, fast autofocus, and seamless smartphone integration right out of the box. Based on the most recent information circulating within reliable leak channels, the DJI Pocket 4 is now expected to launch after January, with February emerging as the most realistic window even though no exact date has been finalized. And instead of signaling trouble, this carefully measured delay actually aligns closely with DJI's long-standing pattern of refining launch execution to ensure that hardware, software, accessories, logistics, and regional availability are all perfectly synchronized, particularly in key markets such as the United States, Europe, and Asia, where simultaneous availability plays a major role in first-week sales momentum and media coverage. Adding another important layer to the situation is DJI's own marketing behavior, as the company has already begun teasing a separate product announcement scheduled for mid-January using cryptic messaging that roughly translates to dominating the main position, which strongly implies that the spotlight is not reserved for the Osmo Pocket lineup at all, but instead for a new Ronin stabilizer, most likely the next generation GRS5. With multiple leaks pointing toward major upgrades including significantly improved battery life, smarter and more responsive AI-powered subject tracking, refined motor efficiency, enhanced payload balancing, quieter operation, better vertical shooting support, and advanced composition assistance tools designed to appeal to both solo creators and professional camera operators. And when all of these elements are examined together, A clear and coherent strategy emerges in which DJI is deliberately staggering its product releases to avoid internal competition between categories, preserve focused media attention, and maximize launch impact for each lineup, meaning the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is not cancelled or struggling but simply waiting for the right moment. The Pocket 4 Pro almost certainly exists but remains further out with many unanswered questions regarding certification, sensor configuration, and final feature set, and DJI's January marketing push is clearly centered on the Ronin ecosystem rather than compact gimbal cameras, reinforcing the conclusion that the Osmo Pocket series is being positioned carefully for a stronger, more controlled debut rather than rushed into a crowded announcement window, making this delay far less about setbacks and far more about calculated timing in an increasingly competitive creator technology landscape where execution, polish, and ecosystem cohesion matter just as much as raw specifications.